So if you're going for grunge like in the week and then you want to be glam, you have to like worry about getting all the black off and waiting for it to wear off, because this will cover it up really nicely. It only takes a few minutes. New Year's Eve is coming up, so this would be a great way to change nails real quick and to go for opposite. So if I'm gonna wear sparkly, then I'll wear like a total black grungy dress with it, with boots. If I'm opposite, if I'm going for a glam dress, then I'll put black nails on. That's just me. You need to get just a simple flat iron, or scissors, and your favorite rocks for good vibes. You'll want to be able to use your Colorstreet nails over and over. So that's very, very important. So at the beginning, you should keep your bag to seal it and to be able to reuse it. We'll come back to this later as well. A package of 16 strips. And it's not like an antibiotic where you only get one and if you drop it, you're toast. This is giving you some leeway in case you mess up. It was pretty easy. So this is my second year of doing it. Don't get frustrated. This was my first set. Now this was from 2 years ago, and look how many I still have left because I cut them in half so that you can use them. Oops. This one is Tokyo Lights, which is one of my favorites, but they have matte as well and different solid colors for Christmas and make really cool things. What you want to do is select. Kind of what I do is I take them all out. And I just kind of, it's going to come as with this clear strip on it, which is super important to know because I didn't take this clear strip off and nothing stuck to my nail. So each strip, I get 2 uses out of it. I want to measure the roundness down to your cuticle. You can push your cuticle back if you want. I don't. See? This one's a little bit more narrow, so we'll use that one for that one. It's pretty good right here. So don't do half right in the middle of the strip. You actually want to do half of the strip itself. So this is the actual roundness of the other side, so you're going to do half of that. So just estimate it, cut it in half, and remember, don't forget to take off that first paper strip. So like, see that right there? You have to take that off. This is super, super important. If you don't do that, it will not stick to your nail. This might be a good time for me to show you how it will not stick without that clear thing being removed first. So I did not remove the clear thing. See, it's kind of hard like that. And when I apply it, it doesn't stretch and the sides always lift up like that. So that's what happens when you don't take the clear thing off. And then I take off the backing. There we go. So it's a pretty thin piece of polish, and what I like about it, there's no toxins that are getting into you, and you just seal it right onto your nail. It's that easy. So then I really press it out just like a window decal or a sticker on my computer, and you see where my nail ends. I use no tools. I don't use a file at all. So you really have to until you tear that piece off. So let's do another one. That's how easy it is. So it says peel here, and that's that real important clear part that you really have to take off before you apply the nail, or else it will not stick to your nails. Trust me, I learned the hard way. So you got this one, make sure you peel off. I think it is easier to take the clear off first. You got the polish off, and then you're just going to apply this right to your nail. If you mess up, just take it off again. Cool, huh? So you're gonna wanna press till it feels really smooth. There's extra polished strip here, so you just press it all out. So you kind of see your nail showing through the strip, and pretty much just tear against your nail and the polish, the excess polish comes off like that. Easy peasy.
Just like yesterday, sway the day away, play and sleep and play, sway the day away, just like yesterday.
and press it over the tip of your fingernail so it's a real sharp edge like that, then ready to peel. See that? That's how easy it is. And if you have extra on the side, same thing. Just dig down into your meaty part of your nail. I'll just tear it off. One done. Let's use some of the strips that we've already cut off. So see how that's too narrow for my big old thumb? You could draw Picasso on my thumb.
All day we sway.
Love it. Is it here? No, it's not the whole half. It's just one half of the application sticker. So that's very, very important. That way it'll make your Colorstreet last longer. See how I didn't come all the way to the edge with that, but who's gonna notice? Just you guys, because you're up close. But like, this is great for New Year's Eve. At this point, you guys are probably like, I'm just gonna paint my nails. I would have had them painted and dried by now. But the thing is that doing it this way, you don't have the toxins, so it's nice. So like right here, you see that I kind of peeled a little bit too much. No, I didn't. That's just how my nail looks. Okay, so it looks good. But even if I peeled too much, who cares? Like with these glittery ones, you really can mess up a lot more and it's a lot more forgiving. So we're ready to rock out New Year's Eve. You just need a little bit of heat. Store your nice Colorstreet nail polish strips back in the original bag because we can use them later or if one falls off. Now you're going to take your flat iron and just a light touch. We'll seal that together like this. There we go, and you're done. So at the beginning you should keep your bag to seal it and to be able to reuse it. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. You can't go wrong, and don't get frustrated, just keep practicing.